Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Android Auto on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Android Auto. Now from here, just tap on connect a vehicle. Now from here, there are two methods to connect your smartphone with your vehicle. You can either connect your smartphone wirelessly or you can connect your phone with a cable. Now let's check the wireless option first. Now to do that, just tap on connect using wireless Android Auto. Now from here, tap on turn on Bluetooth. Now from here, there are two options to connect your smartphone with your vehicle wirelessly. You can press a button on the steering wheel on your vehicle to connect your phone with your car. Now, if your car does not have this button on the steering wheel, you can connect your smartphone with your car by tapping on Connect using Bluetooth. Now from here, tap on Pair a Vehicle. Now currently, I don't have a car nearby. Now, it is scanning the available devices. Now, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, it will detect your car and the name of your car will appear right here. Just tap on the name of your car to connect your car with your smartphone. Now, if your car does not have the wireless Android Auto feature, you can connect your smartphone with your car with a wire. Now, as you can see, just connect your phone with a charging cable and connect the other end of the cable with your car to connect your car with your smartphone. And this is how you can enable Android Auto on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.